days to get organised challenges, and today we're back in the kitchen and we're tackling what I call the kitchen gizmo drawer. Now this is the drawer that has all of those kitchen small tools and items that you throw into a drawer and you might never get to organise. Today's the day you tackle them. So I want you to go through this drawer and get rid of all of the items that you don't need, use or want. Arrange like things together and then consider using containers like this to keep like things together. For example, all the measuring spoons in one spot. By using containers and only having the things that you love and use regularly, you'll be able to tame your kitchen gizmo drawer today. 10 minutes, give it a shot, and let's hear what the weirdest thing was, cucumber spiral slicer, that you found in your kitchen drawer.